Choosing the right case for your RX 9070 XT ensures proper fit, strong airflow, and effective cooling, helping your GPU deliver peak performance. Starting at number 1. Antec C5 ARGB, Mid-Tower ATX PC Case. The Antec C5 ARGB is a stylish mid-tower ATX PC case with seamless tempered glass front and side panels, letting you show off your build with vibrant ARGB lighting. It includes 7 by 120 mm ARGB PWM fans and supports up to 10 fans total for strong airflow, plus room for 360 mm radiators for liquid cooling. A Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 port adds modern connectivity, and the case accommodates standard ATX, m-atx, and yNew boards as well as long GPUs and multiple storage drives. Number 2. NZXT H6 Flow, CCH61FW01. The NZXT H6 Flow is a modern compact dual-chamber mid-tower PC case with panoramic tempered glass panels and optimized airflow design to keep components cool. It comes with 3 pre-installed 120 mm fans and supports additional fan and radiator options, including up to a 360 mm radiator at the top. The case also features smart cable management, tool-free panel access, and front I/O with a USB-C port for fast connectivity. Number 3. Cooler Master MasterBox Q300L. The Cooler Master MasterBox Q300L is a compact micro ATX case built for strong airflow and flexible layouts. It features a fully ventilated design, magnetic dust filters, and a transparent side panel to showcase your build. With support for long GPUs, multiple fans, and a 240 mm liquid cooler, plus an adjustable I/O panel, it's a solid choice for budget-friendly gaming and clean PC builds. Number 4. Cooler Master Case. This Cooler Master Mini m-atx bundle pairs the compact Core 100 Air case with a V850 SFX Gold 600W full modular power supply, a great small form factor solution for high-end GPUs like the RX 9070 XT. The Core 100 Air features an ultra-small footprint, extendable frame design, and support for vertical, triple-slot GPUs up to 356 mm while still maintaining good airflow and easy builds. The V850 SFX Gold PSU delivers efficient 80+ Gold power with full modular cabling and a 90° PCIe 12 VHPWR-ready connector, helping power modern graphics cards safely and neatly in tight spaces. Number 5. ASUS Prime Radeon RX 9070. The ASUS Prime Radeon RX 9070 XT White OC Edition is a powerful PCIe 5.0 graphics card with 16GB GDDR6 memory designed for high-end gaming and creative work. It offers an OC boost clock up to 3030 MHz, a 2.5-slot cooler with triple axial tech fans for efficient cooling, and multiple display outputs including HDMI 2.1B and DisplayPort 2.1A for up to 4 screens. Additional features like dual BIOS, 0 dB fan mode for quiet light use, and ASUS's GPU Tweak 3 software make it versatile and easy to tune.